Here's how to block someone on TikTok. Now you can see I have my iPhone and my Android here. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps how to block them, no matter if you have an iPhone or if you have an Android. Now the first option you have is to tap on Inbox here at the bottom right. And let's say somebody is chatting with you and you want to block them. I'll also just show you how to do it from their profile. So for instance, I'm going to tap on Jill here and scroll down and tap on Jill. To block within messages, tap on the three dots at the top right. And then tap on the three dots again at the top right. Then just tap on block at the bottom. And you can see it says it will block this person. They won't be able to send you messages, etc. However, let's say instead of that, you want to go to their profile. Let's just hop into somebody's profile. Let me just go to a different person's profile. In this case, if you're watching a video, you can swipe to the left to get to their profile. Then tap on the share button at the top right. And then tap on block at the bottom. You can see just like that from their profile, you'll be able to block whoever you want. They won't be able to see you, see your content, send you messages, etc. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.